Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable teacher, Mrs. Husnul Khotimah. My name is Firza Rahmalia from 11th Science Age. I would like to explain about how does rainbow is formed. Step-by-step process of formation of a rainbow. First, sunrise strike rainbow. White light from the sun shall hit the water droplet at the curtain angel. The angel form is very crucial since it determines whether the rainbow will be formed or not. Second, some of the sunlight is reflected when the rays from the sun strike or come into contact with droplet of water. The light from the sun is reflected. In the process, the light obeys the law of refraction. Third, rays of light get reflected. The light that is not reflected crosses the boundary layer of air and water and slows down since water is denser than air. The direction of speed makes the path of the light to bend, which is called refraction. This is the reason why the rainbow is always curved or bent toward the normal line. Fourth, white light split into different colors. White light is made up of a spectrum of color, each having its own wavelength. Different wavelengths travel at different speeds while they encounter a change in the medium that is dense or less dense. Fifth, light gets reflected behind the raindrop. When light hits water to air interface at the rear of the raindrop, it forms an angle. If the angle of incidence is greater compared to the critical angle, total internal refraction occurs and the rainbow can be seen. Whereas, if the angle is lesser than the critical angle, the rainbow form will not be visible. 6. More refraction takes place. As the light exits the raindrop, its speed changes at this point. Movement of the light is away from a dense water to less dense air medium. The speed is thus increased. 7. Color form with more dispersion. As the rays get reflected once more, the various wavelengths are affected to different extents and enhance the clear formation or the rainbow color, which the further separation of the component color of white light and the refraction. The benefit, color, and shape of the rainbow are visible with dispersion. When rainbow appears after the rain, three conditions must be filled to see the rainbow. First, it must be raining, because a rainbow requires water droplet to be floating in the air. That's why it is visible right after it rains. Second, the sun must be shining. Third, the observed location must be between the sun and the rain. The sun must be at your back. The sun must be at your back and the cloud cleared away from the sun for the rainbow to appear. In the sky, the lower the sun is, the higher is the arc of the rainbow. How does a rainbow get its color? Isaac Newton established that due to refraction, white light tends to separate into its constituent wavelengths. Newton's contribution gave a new understanding that white light is a mixture of colored light and that each color is reflected to a different extent. The different colors correspond to light with different wavelengths and are reflected to different degrees. This process of separation of color is called dispersion. Much of the color in sunlight are separated by refraction. We are able to distinguish them in the splendor that is a rainbow, a spectacular ray of color. Looks white, but it's really made of a different color like violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So it's that for me. I hope that this content is useful. Thanks.